To your left. Okay. We're just doing a donut now, it's okay.
Oh my god!
Stop terrifying me.
Lucas, can you take a picture on your phone? Just at least.
Nicely done. Nicely done.
Here we go, say hi.
You're like scaring me.
Nature Cat, you're cutting it close.
We could get on the bike trail. No.
Oh, nice.
Like a little boardwalk, but oh my god. The tail's all black.
You only survived.
Oh, watch out, you can't.
All right, get it, buddy. Oh.
Really not.
You said thank you. Aww. I assume you guys one more. Did it. Summer one more. To see where Nature Cat
Nature Cat learned to ride a bike.
Hey, Hobby, you can't ride that bike. That's what I'm wondering.
Let's see information. Hello, how are you today? Welcome to the Nature Walk Party.
Wow, look at
Got lots of fun stuff for you.
birds.
See these kind of bird migration event coming up soon. Okay, that's over.
Yeah. Would you be here?
I don't believe so. I believe that would be let's see. That's more about the
See if there's anything else.
Let's see if they got some water. Water right there. Let's see what they want. It's good.
But there's ones like one with like neon blue, and then the other one has neon green sweater.
Flashlight.
Yeah. Why work right by it? That's what I'm saying.
This one?
Yeah, you never have to rock it.
I had to stop right next to Ben. We got one more. I found him. It's a compass, Josh. A compass and
or a butterfly.
whistle.
It's not that far.
Take your time there, Gio. Take your time with those cuts. Did you get the... Yeah.
Hi, how are you?
How are you?
Fine, how are you?
Good, good to see you.
Good to see you. Wow. Jerry.
a snake, right?
This goes all the way bottom? Over here?
Yeah.
We'll see. Look, we're gonna go.
Oh, dragons!
Hi, how are you?
Very cool. Is that like a mallard?
This is what they told us.
Wood duck maybe means mallard. I
Hi.
don't know.
Us about it.
Alright, sign here. What else?
Cute, cute.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Hi. Oh, wow.
See you later.
Alright, what would you like?
No, I like big butts.
Don't move. But you can only touch if you want to. If you would like to touch, you can use a gentle finger. Okay?
Find that?
But you can certainly look with your eyes.
No?
It's a giant spider, the biggest of the spiders.
Jesse, this is like a tarantula.
It isn't like a tarantula. It is a tarantula. It really is. Oh, you there. You there.
Why is it so friendly to you?
Well, because I've been comfortable with it. And when I first take it out in the morning, it moves a lot. And then it gets to know that I'm okay. And it settles down. Which is a wonderful lesson to tell everybody. You know, if you move too quickly, any creature is uncomfortable.
Right. Oh, wow. Can I get a real quick one?
For sure.
I like touching that shell.
Does he have a name?
Well, it's a rosy tarantula, so they've called her Rosie. I'm not sure if it's male or female, though, and I cannot tell. I know what I should be looking for, but I can't. I don't know.
That's fantastic. Thank you. Oh, to me.
Bałaś się, jest dobrze, nie szkodzi.
Ja nie bałam się.
Ale jestem z siebie dumna, że tak długo trzymałaś ją na razie.
Yeah? You want to try? Just
I'm hearing Polish here.
Okay.
Pokaż ci mama walką.
Oh. Hi. We have a rain barrel, so I can't sign up for one.
Hi. Hi. Want a coloring book or a ruler?
Yeah.
Which one? How about both? One coloring book? One ruler. Do you have any?
Hi, how are you?
Good, how are you?
Hi. I'm Joanne. I'm just an old person who volunteers to do some video, and then my husband puts it up on YouTube.
Okay.
How's that? What's your favorite?
My favorite? Man. I think the fox. Foxes are one of my favorite animals. As far as softness goes, I'd probably have to go with the river otter. Yeah, this really thick fur that's adapted to aquatic lifestyle. That's really nice.
I'm sure. What is this one?
This is the river otter.
Oh, okay. I thought that's what you said. Yeah. Wow. Wow. Is there a beaver here?
Yeah, we have the beaver.
Of course.
Unfortunately, this specimen is missing his tail, which is kind of the funnest part. But
And you are?
my name's Joe.
Joe? Hi, Joe.
Hi.
Hi. So the beaver hats were like kind of what drove industry in this area early on?
Yeah, really early on, like
Can you
when
believe?
the Europeans first started settling the area, it was beaver skin for all kinds of stuff.
Wow.
Yeah, their numbers went extremely low. They're back and they've got lots of healthy populations all over the country now. So
Oh, wow.
they made a comeback.
I see why you would prefer the fox, though. That is gorgeous.
Yeah, I've always had a soft spot for foxes.
Are there any around here?
I'm sure there are. I don't know.
We think we saw one at 95th Street going right out of Calumet Park.
Yeah.
You know, there's that sort of vacant land close to the
Okay,
river.
Cool.
Yeah.
There was a family here earlier who said they lived nearby and they saw a fox in their backyard.
Whoa.
So I wouldn't be surprised. Yeah.
Okay. Thanks, Joe. Thank you. Aha. I get your sign too. Hey.
Say no.
No, I think you'll be fine.
How's it going?
I was going to ask you guys. So, how's it been going here today?
So far, so good.
Fantastic. We have close to 200 people coming out.
Almost 200, yeah. Weather is great.
They're really enjoying themselves.
Lunchtime is great.
Yeah, Nature Cat is taking over.
I noticed.
The local celebrity, yes.
They're not here to see me anymore, but that's all right.
Where's
That's
Nature Cat? Most answered question today.
And even if these activities don't have to entertain the kids, they can entertain themselves.
Exactly.
They're just getting
Exactly.
outside and play and enjoy
Exactly. It's
themselves.
wonderful. It's really
The weather's
wonderful.
perfect.
Yeah.
Not be
Yeah.
better.
So I'm pleased that this is an annual event here because this place needs to be,
It
Yeah.
is.
you know, kind of shown off and
Yes,
Yeah.
done a great job of activating this location
right.
throughout the year. So people can always find more information on our website at fpdcc.com.